I bought this flush mount ceiling lamp. It's an LED configuration or matrix, and it works with 120 volts. I bought this at Home Depot, and it's just right for the lighting for the marquee on the arcade cabinet. You can see it's very bright, but with a piece of paper in front, it should look just fine. Let's see here if I focus. Yeah, you'll be able to see the writing, and it'll block some of that excess light. So that's where I'm at. I just soldered or soldered the cables, the little wires on the light to a power plug, and that's what I was able to do today.